gasket. All right, guys, this is gonna be like a visual driver mod. I don't know. This is gonna be for the cluster. So there's a company that I found on Instagram, illumaestheti, right? Illumaestheti. All right. So they make plate frames and like gauge replace clusters. So we're gonna be doing like a Recaro confetti, right? This is what it is. So this is what they had on the website. Cool. And I didn't believe Angel at first when you can literally find anything for Subarus. So like mine was kind of foggy, so I didn't think you can ever change it unless you got like a new one or like found one that had with low miles. But there's a plastic piece that goes in front of the cluster that I didn't know you can remove, and I mean Subaru still sells that part, and here it is, brand sneaky new. This is gonna be amazing because the one I have in the car right now is foggy, you can't really see it. Subaru just passed by, awesome, brother. So, and then you can't have enough STI stuff in the car. I mean, like, you want people to know you have an STI. Like, why wouldn't you want not? I mean, yeah, the GTR, but people want to know you have an STI. So, like, in the window when people drive past you, you can just have like a sticker that says STI. Why not? Why not have more stuff on the car that says STI? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that?
It's white on white, Danny. I don't even be able to see that.
All right. Well, you'll see it on the mirror. I don't think you'll see it on the mirror either. I don't know why. It's $1, but that's what we're gonna be doing today.
It was $1.
I don't know how to act. I don't know how to act. So the first step is gonna be taking out the cluster. It should be pretty self-explanatory. Jeff brought his toolbox, for the Dale stem, so we should be good. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see it, like the little plastic part in front of it. Damn, I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty foggy. When we take it off, we'll put it in the sun so you can see how foggy it is. But you can't really see the mileage, so it gets foggy on the edges. So, oh, I got stuck. That's pretty big. No, bigger. Thank you. Shit. Okay. Not good enough.
You want the whole bag?
Yeah, I take the bag.
Your bag fucking goes off.
It's okay. I don't know if you guys saw. I got a letter in the mail for the airbag recall. I'm like, this is 2005. Y'all still fixing this? There's a problem here. There's a problem here. But I'm glad y'all still fixing Subaru. Thank you for that. Alright, first step, we have the cluster here. We just gotta take off this front shroud. Alright, Jeff, you wanna press a couple of those clips. Gonna push them in. There we go. Okay, we got, oh, we go. It's just really on there. There we go. Okay, top ones.
Right here.
Okay. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. So this is what I'm talking about. It's just. Look at that. Look at that. It's just clear though. It's just clarity. And you can literally buy anything you want for a Subaru. You can literally buy the small. I mean, I was gonna buy a screw for a door handle. Just cause you can buy anything you want. It's dusty. I mean, it's a little easier. I mean, these haven't been touched since factory, so. Okay. No clip broken. Good.
That out.
Even if it broke, you could just order a new one.
For real, you really could. Alright, that's all real quick. Alright, go ahead, Jeff.
So what you're going to do is you're going to lift the needle up and then the back of it up, and you'll get it past the 0. And then you just keep twisting till it pops up. And then see how there's a little male and female end? You want the little metal pin to stay in, but you want the plastic part to come with you.
And we're going to be doing that for the rest of them as well. It's not coming up, my friend. Alright, so these little black caps were in the middle of these, just blocking these off. So now we're going to be taking the actual faces for the gauge. Alright. Okay. Hey, gasket.
Fake.
Gasket.
Fake.
Okay, so that.
Tuning.
Okay.
What else do you guys like? Sucking dick.
This directly on top. Again.
Bless you.
Okay, guys, don't forget this very important step. It won't work if you don't do this.
For real. Just make sure you guys have the diffusers on before reattaching these. Everything should just line up to the factory holes.
I mean, these are made well. Not a sponsor though, but these are made well. Okay. Hope this just still works. Okay. See how they go. Alright, so we gotta plug these in. Oh, should I go like this first? Okay, let's plug it in real quick. You got some room? Alright, welcome to you guys Zip Ties.
Welcome to Chili's.
Watch your ears, kids. Oh! It all works. It all works.
Push.
That was on me. Go back. Damn. Oh, what? I hope this one's gonna be okay.
I didn't
Hey, Kyle.
mean to send it that hard.
Hey, yo, Kyle.
I didn't mean to send it that hard.
Kyle, how many miles you got today, man?
Like 6.
Okay.
Six.
I really wish when you said 6, your head was backwards like this. Like, what, dude?
I drink Monster. You know I'm all about the
Send it that hard.
Yeah, what you do, bro?
I don't know. I got like some blood pooling up.
Yeah, I got some
I'm
alcohol
all
in the
dirty and shit. Price you pay for fame, right, baby?
Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We got the
visual driver mod.
what is it called?
Illumaestheti.
Illumaestheti gauge design.
Gauge faces.
Gauge faces.
Gauge
Yeah,
faces.
cluster face.
Cluster face. There we
Ooh,
go.
Cluster mod.
Alright, but yeah, we got it in. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Pretty easy video.
Very clean. Very clean.
Sorry I broke your shit.
Yeah.
When we famous, I'll just buy you a new STI.
Whatever, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah, you're good. Alright guys, welcome back to another Few Guys and Zip Ties video. We'll be here doing some stuff to the STI. It's gonna be a pretty long video. I don't know about you guys, it's gonna take all day. I mean, good thing it's nice out today. How do you guys feel today?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful outside. Love it. Show them what we got, Dave. Show them what we got.
All right.
What we got.
Here you go, man. Take the
Ooh.
camera, man. This box is huge, bro.
Can't take the screen back.
All right, bro. We're gonna be putting on some what do you call these real quick, man? Oh, bell stems. All right, bro. If you wanna come down real quick. We got the stock BBSs right here. See these stock ass shit? You can't do this, man. Can't do this. All right, we're gonna take that off real quick. You know, fuck it. Throw it out. All right, we got one. If you want, I don't know if you can see that real quick.
Yeah.
All right, cool. You know why? We got the STI right here. STI right here. And head gasket. All right, guys. Next video is gonna be doing a head gasket. All right, guys. Clean. I mean, I don't know. You guys didn't see a lot of the video. I mean, you guys didn't see like me doing this, but this is like a center cap with like a metal sticker. Very cool. Kind of hard to fit. Wood, kind of chipped. Don't worry about it. It fit. All right. So it's on there. Cool. 1 out of 4. So it's gonna be a 4-part video. I don't got all day. So all right, guys. All right. Peace out.